Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anandi Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to teach you Resin Rakhi. Before working with resin, please look on to the precautions and important things to be taken care and learn about the dangers too. So let's look on to the things needed. Dry flowers. I collected flowers from my garden, arranged them in a tissue paper and kept inside a book for 8 to 9 days. Resin and hardener, mask, hand gloves, disposable glass, ice cream sticks, measuring spoon, a mold, golden aluminum foil or golden flakes. So let's get started. First arrange the dry flowers and gold flakes and things available with you in the mold. Wear mask and hand gloves. We need to mix resin and hardener in 3:1 ratio. I have poured 3 spoons of resin and now I am going to pour 1 spoon of hardener. Now mix well for 5 minutes slowly in circular motion. Now pour the resin in each section. Try to fill it fully because as it dries, it flattens. If any bubbles, just blow a hair dryer or a lighter. When pouring, you can see that things have gone here and there. We can arrange them with the help of ice cream stick. After you have done, cover it with the help of newspaper. Now we have to leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it comes out like this. So beautiful. I loved it. So clear and transparent. So easily it comes out. So you can see how beautiful they look. It's so satisfying. I'm really very happy with my work. I did it for first time. I'm so happy and so excited to make Rakhis for my bhaiya, bhabhi, bhatija, bhatiji, so many people. So now let's make the Rakhis. Just roll a ribbon and insert in the hole and stick with the help of glue gun on both the sides. And it's ready. So easy, so simple. You can make as you wish. You can use any thread you want. See how beautiful. Now the other one. Cut a small size of beading wire and join the ends and make it into a V shape as I have done. It helps to insert thread or bead easily. You can also use a metal wire. Just keep the thread in the V shape and join the ends and insert into the hole as I am doing. Same way, take the help of V-shaped wire for inserting the beads. You can see it's a very good technique to insert the beads and thread. It makes the work easy. Now after you insert the beads, just give a knot as I am doing. So your beautiful Rakhi is ready. Hope you would have liked these resin Rakhis. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Please like the video and subscribe my channel and click on to the bell icon so that you get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me in Instagram and FB. Links in the description. Thank you so much.